The future of YouTube is here. What if I told you that you could make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, without recording a single video, and without hiring an expensive team? What is YouTube automation? YouTube automation is a business model where you build a channel that runs on autopilot. You don't need to be an influencer to hire or use AI tools to do the work. Script writing, voiceover, video editing, everything. Three main types of YouTube automation. There are three major types of YouTube automation channels. Digital automation. Channels with top 10s finance, luxury, history, etc. Searchable content automation. Tutorial like how to an online product review, AI tools. Short automation. Fast, short videos under 60 seconds. Use trend, fact, motivation, or news. Free tools you can use. No investment needed. Here are free AI tools and website to fully automate your channel. First, script writing. ChatGPT free version work great. Second, Voiceover, ElevenLabs or freetts.com. Video editing. CapCut Web, Canva or Pictory free trial. Thumbnail design, Canva or Adobe Express. Stock footage, Pixel Pixabay.com and Mixit. Background music, YouTube audio library or now first important thing in YouTube automation, niche selection. If you want to attract an audience, go from evergreen and high CPM niches. First, make money online. Second, finance and investment. Third, physiology and facts. Fourth, mystery, true crime. Fifth, motivation and success stories. How to create a full video using AI? Let's walk through the full process. Pick a video ideas. Use ChatGPT to generate trending topic. Write a script. Paste a prompt. Write a YouTube script about topic in suspense tone. Generate voiceover. Paste script into ElevenLabs for free TTS. Find visual. Use Pexels or Mixit for footage. Edit in CapCut, Web or Canva. Design thumbnail on Canva. Upload with SEO title, tags and description. How to make money? Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can monetize with video ads, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, building an email list for the future sales. Pro tips. Here are some expert tips. Use bold thumbnails with big text. Keep videos under 10 minutes for highly retention. Upload 2-3 videos per week. Always follow trend. Use Google Trend plus video searches. This is most important part of your YouTube automation. How to make a YouTube channel step by step. Before you automate your need at home for your content, your YouTube channel, here how to make one in under 5 minutes. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google account. Click on your profile picture, select create a channel, choose a name, something catchy, niche focused like fun, fact, and main mystery. Add a profile picture and channel banner. Use Canva to design them for free. Write a short channel description. Go to YouTube Studio, setting, enable custom URL, and upload defaults. You are done. Now starting uploading. If you are still confused about how to create your YouTube channel properly, don't worry. In the next video, I will show how to complete process step by step with screen recording and full explanation. And hey, if you don't even know how to upload a video on YouTube yet, don't worry at all. In my next video, I will show you exactly how to upload a video step by step with complete explanation, visuals, and tips to go to viral. Start your channel today. YouTube is no longer just a platform. It's a business. Start today. No excuse or your future self will thank you. Call to action. Like, share, and subscribe if you are ready to build your YouTube empire